TV. An US woman carried coronavirus for 105 days without symptoms, a fine study. According to the case study published in journal Cell, an immunocompromised patient with blood cancer in the US carried COVID-19 for 105 days without any symptoms of the virus. The shedding of COVID-19 was observed in the 71-year-old woman for up to 70 days. Certain immunocompromised patients may shed infectious virus for longer duration than previously recognized, the study said. Over 7,000 COVID-19 cases reported in 24 hours in Delhi for the first time. As many as 7,178 COVID-19 cases were recorded in Delhi in the last 24 hours, marking the first instance of the national capital reporting more than 7,000 cases in a single day. The total number of COVID-19 cases in Delhi has risen to 4,23,831, while the death toll surged to 6,833. Active cases in Delhi stands at 39,722 cases. 5-year-old boy swallows 123 magnetic beads while watching TV in China. A 5-year-old Chinese boy underwent a surgery after he swallowed 123 magnetic beads while watching TV. The incident happened when the child was alone with his 12-year-old sister when their parents left for work. While the boy told his parents that he had swallowed only one bead, his X-ray scan revealed several beads bundled up inside his body. Haryana Chandigarh banned sale of firecrackers ahead of Diwali. Ahead of Diwali, the Haryana government on Friday said it has decided to put a complete ban on a sale of firecrackers in the state. The decision was taken to prevent the risk of spread of COVID-19 due to pollution created by busting of firecrackers. The Chandigarh administration also imposed an immediate ban on a sale and use of firecrackers. Gujarat girl breaks own world record of longest hair on a teenager. Gujarat's 18-year-old Nilanshi Patel has broken her own world record of longest hair on a teenager for the third time. The original measurement for her hair in 2018 was 170.5 cm, which grew to 190 cm in September 2019. As per Guinness, her hair is 200 cm long. Who is Maria Tuttle, Indian origin woman crowned Miss Universe Australia? Indian-Australian beauty expert and fashion blogger Maria Tuttle was recently crowned Miss Universe Australia 2020. The 27-year-old fashion influencer's parents migrated from India in the early 90s, and she was born and raised in Melbourne. She graduated from both psychology and management degrees with the honours and has an ardent interest in philosophy and psychology. Street vendor uses toilet water in Pani Puri. Pics go viral. Pictures showing a street vendor in Maharashtra's Kolhapur using toilet water in Pani Puri have gone viral on social media. People damaged his cart and threw everything on road after the pictures went viral. Last year, a video of idli vendor which showed him taking tap water from a railway station toilet to prepare food has surfaced online. Panasonic makes vacuum device to pick wireless earbuds from the train tracks. Panasonic, in collaboration with Japan's JR East Rail Group, developed a cordless vacuum cleaner-like device to help recover fallen wireless earbuds from the railway track. JR East said there were about 950 cases of dropped earphones at 78 stations between July to September. The device has been tested at Ikebukuro station, and early results suggest it works faster than the traditional method. Happy birthday to my appa. Shruti Haasan shares old pictures with Kamal. Actress Shruti Haasan on Saturday took to Instagram to wish her father Kamal Haasan on his 66th birthday. Sharing an old picture, she wrote, "Happy birthday to my Babuji. Appa, Daddy, dearest I Kamal Haasan." Shruti added, "May this year be another memorable one in your library of splendid years. Can't wait to see all you have in store for the world." SpaceX launches mission for US Space Force to improve GPS constellation. SpaceX launched the GPS-3 space vehicle for atop its Falcon 9 rocket, the second mission it had completed for the US Space Force this year. This is also the fourth overall GPS-3 put in orbit by SpaceX. GPS-3 satellites were designed to help the Space Force modernize in the current GPS constellation with new technology and advanced capabilities. The Knife Angel stands 27 feet tall and is made from 1 lakh knives in Oswestry in England. If you want to buy the cheapest airline tickets online, use your browser's incognito mode. Prices go up if you visit a site multiple times. First public call made from an iPhone was made by Steve Jobs. He called a Starbucks and ordered 4,000 lats, then said just kidding and hung up. It's a laser procedure to change one's eye color from brown to blue, as blue eyes exist under all brown eyes. When Swiggy started in Bangalore in 2014, it had just 20 restaurant partners and 6 delivery partners. Today, the company has more than 1.2 lakh restaurant partners and a fleet of 2 lakh delivery partners across 290 cities.